strawberry jam. Hello and welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. My name is Sheetal. Today I'll be showing you a very interesting recipe which is strawberry jam. So let's quickly go through the ingredients. 30 to 40 strawberries, 2 cups of castor sugar. Now what I'll do is half of the strawberries I'm going to puree it and half of them I'm going to chop it. So firstly I'll puree the strawberries. See to it, before using the strawberries you remove the stems and wash them. I'll add some more strawberries. As you can see, the puree is ready. We'll keep it aside for some time. Now we'll quickly roughly chop the strawberries. The most special about this recipe is, you can see I'm not using any preservative. The only preservative what we have is sugar. So you can store this jam like for 4 to 5 months. I've already heated a non-stick pan. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to add this strawberries, chopped strawberries in this pan and the prepared strawberry puree. I'll add the sugar. And now I'm going to mix this strawberry mixture. I have pureed half the strawberries because to get the consistency of the jam, I have chopped the strawberries so that you get that chunky bite when you taste this jam. You can use this jam along with any dessert, or you can just spread this jam on a slice of bread and you can have it anytime. On commercial level, pectin is used in jam making because it's a thickening agent which gives consistency to your jam. But when you are making home style, you don't need to use any pectin because the pectin is already present in the fruit you are using. So if you make the recipe home style, it is very healthy and it is chemical free. While making this jam, you have to be extra alert. You need to stir it continuously till it thickens. If you don't stir it and leave it on flame, the jam tends to burn from bottom. So you need to cook this jam for about 20 to 30 minutes till it gets its texture. If you want, you can add mint leaves to this jam so that along with strawberries, it gives a minty taste to your jam. As you can see, the strawberry jam is almost ready. So what I'll do is, I'll switch off the gas. I'll keep the strawberry jam aside till the time it cools down and reaches room temperature. Now this jam has cooled down. As it is a jam, you can store this in an airtight container and refrigerate for about 2 to 3 months. So I'm just serving this in the serving bowl. Strawberry jam is ready. You can serve this with ice creams or as an accompaniment or with simple slice of bread.